capable of cruising at speeds in excess of Mach 3.2, the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird was the fastest air-breathing manned aircraft to ever see operational service. But even though its performance has never been matched, the SR-71 was retired as the Cold War drew to a close. The Blackbird was initially retired in 1990, even before the fall of the Soviet Union. Eventually, however, 3 of the aircrafts were reactivated by the Air Force, at the insistence of Congress, for a brief period in 1995. Meanwhile, NASA flew research missions with the aircraft, until 1999. In the end, the Blackbird was retired without a true replacement. But why did this happen? Ultimately, while the SR-71 delivered unparalleled performance, it was its operating costs that condemned the Blackbird to early retirement. Moreover, the U.S. Air Force had doubts about the aircraft's survivability, versus a new generation of air defenses and interceptors, like the SA-10 Grumble, and MiG-31 Foxhounds. Indeed, by some accounts, the SR-71 cost as much as $200,000 per hour, to operate when all of its ancillary expenses were factored in. Part of that cost stemmed from the fact that it was a small specialized fleet. Because only 32 Blackbirds were ever built, with addition of its unique design, the SR-71 was a maintenance hog. It also required a specialized logistical train, particularly for its exotic fuel, which cost $18,000 per hour, in 1989 dollars. As the Air Force budgets declined toward the end of the Cold War, the service could no longer justify keeping the expensive SR-71 in its inventory, especially as new threats started to emerge. The service expected that a combination of satellites and other technical means would replace the venerable aircraft.